Hi everyone, this is Literature Interactive Notebook number 7. My video is not going to be very long today because I do have about a 5-minute video that I'm going to have you guys watch on your own after this. Our topic or our skill today that we're going to be working on is visuals and how visuals impact your perception of the story, how they impact the mood of the story, and how looking at visuals in literature really dictates the overall tone and mood for the reader and the audience. I'm just going to quickly show you guys what this video looks like. It's called eSpark Learning Analyzing Multimedia Elements Instructional Video. This is a great tutorial on how to analyze different different multimedia and visuals in stories, and she does a great job at explaining it. So I'm going to link this video in the assignments right here. So make sure after you watch my video, you watch this video before you do the assignment. Just going to talk real quick about the assignment. You're going to have to look at this image after watching this video, and you are going to have to answer a couple of questions about mood and a story that would go with this visual. When you're done, I want you to do the reflect and write for this skill, but again, really important that you watch this video. She does a great job explaining. Totally worth the time, and it's pretty interesting. All right, guys, good luck.